Hello friends, so today we are playing River Cross. First we'll play the level 1. So here are the instructions. A farmer wants to cross a river and take with him a wolf, a goat, a cabbage. Rules are: the first rule is the farmer is the only one who can steer the raft. He can only take the one passenger, the wolf, the goat or the cabbage in addition to himself. Okay. And the second one is, if the wolf and the goat are alone on the same river bank, the wolf will eat the goat. And the third rule is, if the goat and the cabbage are alone on the same bank, the goat will eat the cabbage. How can the farmer get the wolf, the goat and the cabbage across the river without any of them being eaten? Let's play. We have understood the rules. So first, let's go with the cabbage. Oh no. What's wrong with this? This would be nice, yes. This is a good option. Yay! Level completed.